Hi, this is Jolene from Cloth Nappy Library Ireland, and I'm going through the newborn kit and some of the options that you might expect to see. And this is the Prefold and wrap. And you can see here, this is a wrap, as comes with the fitted nappies. But inside isn't a shaped nappy, it's this, a rectangle, and this is called a prefold. And what prefold means is that you prefold it before you put it in. There are a couple of easy ways to fold it. The most common one is to fold it in three, like this. So the thicker bit is in the middle. That's particularly the case for if you have a girl. Alternatively, if you have a boy, a popular fold is to fold it lengthways, like this. And then an extra fold like that at the front, because the absorbency needs to be at the front for boys. And then what you do is you take your wrap, and sometimes they'll have a little flap here to hold it, and sometimes they won't. And you put it in like this, and then, as before, get ready and put the whole thing on the baby. And as always, make sure that the nappy's fitting and that there aren't any bits poking out anywhere. And then when it comes to time to change the nappy, similarly to the hybrid systems, what you can actually do, if this is just wet and if the cover is clean, you can just reuse the cover, or if the cover is even slightly damp, you can give it a little wipe down and you can leave it to air dry and use another cover. Without having to put it through a wash cycle, unless it starts to actually smell. After usually 2 or 3 it will, but you can reuse it a couple of times. So the pre-fold and wrap system is actually somewhere in between a fitted and wrap and a hybrid system. So you fold the next one, pop that in, use it again, and on the baby again. And one of the advantages of this system is that because these inserts fold out, they dry very quickly. And again, it's quite cost effective because you have these and you have wraps. You don't need a wrap for every single one of these you have. And again, the wraps dry very, very quickly. The downsides of them usually come later when you have a wriggly baby and you don't have time to be doing the fold at all and putting the fold into the wrap and waiting for the baby who has now crawled away and peed on the floor. But with newborns you don't have that problem at all. So they're actually an ideal system for this age, and especially if they're nice soft organic cotton, it's lovely next to baby skin.